What's up guys, this is Sangi Chitnis. So today we are going to discuss about a travel tip regarding how real estate can help you to travel. Now basically real estate does not help directly to travel because it's non-movable asset, but real estate can generate income from you because real estate is an asset and income helps you to earn money and that money helps you to travel a lot. So real estate directly did not help you to travel, but real estate indirectly definitely help you to travel. So what you have to do is that you have to buy the real estate. So if you buy some property like a property of 1 crore rupees, then you may get a rental lead of 3%, which is 3 lakh rupees yearly, and capital appreciation will be 10%. So that is the first tip which will help you to travel, which is buying a real estate. Another tip is that it's a little bit different than the first tip. The second tip is that you buy the real estate and don't give it on rent, list it on earn up. So you may get a little bit higher income than earn up. For an example, if you buy a 1 crore property and you may get a rental lead of 6 lakh rupees, which is 6% yearly, and that money you can use for traveling if you want. So that is the another solution for it. So you may get a little bit high rent because you can list your prices on earnup, and if you improve your ratings on earnup, then you may increase your price also, and that will be benefit to generate more high passive income from it. So that is the another tip which is shared by me to you. So I am now sharing a third tip with you. So if you wanted to generate more money from real estate in order to travel, then there is one more solution, is that you have to buy the land at Lonavala, which is of 40,000 square feet land, and that will cost around 1.6 crore. And after that you have to construct a 10,000 rupees per square feet, 10,000 rupees square feet bungalow on it, which will be considered as villa. That will cost another 2 crore for you, total 3.6 crore or 4 crore something. But you can charge a customer every single day 5,000 rupees per day or 10,000 rupees per day. So that will generate a lots of cash to you to travel, and you can list that villa as a resort on Agoda and many other websites. So now I am going to share you another tip with you. So another tip is that you can invest in real estate investment trust, which is REIT. So now what you have to do is that you can just buy the shares of the real estate investment trust and you will get a good returns. It's the classical example is that realty income. So if you are investing realty income, I just can share the example with you. It's not a stock recommendation or it's not a financial advice, but if you are invested in real estate investment trust, which is realty income in American Stock Exchange, which is New York Stock Exchange, and if you are invested only 10 lakh rupees, the average per year rental lead, average dividend income per year from last 27 years would be 6 lakh rupees per year till 27 years. So that's enough money to travel outside state, and it's enough money to travel every year in international country also. So that is the tip which I had shared with you. And if you wanted to invest in blue chip companies, and if you wanted to earn valuation, and if you wanted to earn dividend, and if you wanted to learn investing principle from me, then you can click on the Fiverr. Link is given in above section, and you can buy my course. In my course there is no financial advice and there is no stock recommendation. There is investing principles which I teach you in order to do research. So I do research with the help of the investing principles, and I teach you the investing principles to you too. So I hope you like this video. So subscribe to my YouTube channel and share this video with your friends and family. Share with this video with your relatives. So I hope you love these videos. So goodbye guys. Now it's time to go. I will see you and I will talk with you on next Thursday. So goodbye.